Hello friends, welcome to Vision Achieved, my daily practice of studying one stock and investing in one stock. Every day I do a deep dive study of one share, the company, and then make an investment. This is my daily habit of making one video by investing one single share, and so that I could avoid some unnecessary expenses. So the company we have selected today is known as EID PARRY India Limited. Why? Because this company has very strong fundamental. Company is run by good people, and the company is currently giving right technical signal, so that we can make some money in coming few months. Okay? And then we will talk about the exit strategy. Okay? So this is EID PARRY India Limited, fundamental data, and currently this stock is at 488 rupees for a stock which has a face value of just 1 rupee. So this company has already split their share 10 rupee share 10 times into 10x, and 1 rupee share is going at 488 rupees. What are so good thing about this? So total number of shares of this company could be 8,654 divided by 488. So total 17.7 crore shares are floating in the market, which is a huge number, a lot of shares in the market, and each share is going at 488 rupees. Second parameter I would like to see is book value. Book value is 343. What does it mean? If you multiply 17.733 crore multiplied by 343, which is their book value, that means this company has assets, physical assets which can be sold and they can make money worth 6,000 crore. Okay, so this company is solid. It's the ground solid company. It's not like startup which has nothing in the air. Everything is just top. This is solid infrastructure. They must have land, buildings, machines, all that amounting to 6,000 crore, which is huge. Company is in hand of good people. ROCE, return on capital employed, is 39%, ROE is 16%, and return on asset is 10%, which is much good than compared to the prevailing fixed deposit rates in the bank. One of the important parameters is here, PB into PE. Stock price is 488 divided by earning per share. Earning per share, let me show you how much it is. How much it was? It was last year, it was 53. So price to earning ratio is PE into PB is 13. Can you see here? Sorry. Price PB into PE is 13. And Warren Buffett says that it should be less than 21. Any company which is less than 21, you should go for it if the fundamentals are good, because then that stock can grow many times. Like, in case of, you must have seen Adani Gas and all those companies are doing PE, PB multiplication more than 1 lakh. So market really values the company, good company over a period of time. So EID PARRY is currently, we are lucky, it's a good find. It is 13.3. The company has a debt of 1,600 crore. Now, obviously, they have taken a loan of 1,600 and much more than that, which they have been clearing over a period of time. And this loan they got against pledging of their share. So right now, the total pledge is 0.03% of their current holding. And they are holding 44.5%, and 0.03% of that is have given them, and them some other loan of 1,600 crore. So is it good or bad? Let us see. The earning, how to determine whether the debt is good or bad. Well, first thing is to generate sale of 35,000 crore. They needed a debt of just 1,600 crore, which is a very good sign. Okay. Number two, the market capitalization of this company is just 8,000 crore. Whereas the annual sale is 35,000 crore, which is like what? 4 times more than the annual capital. So this company has tremendous potential. Okay. Number three, what is the good thing? EBIT. earning before interest and tax. Earning before interest and tax was 2,818 crore, which is more than the debt. Wow, it's a great discovery. And now on top of that, the net profit they have shown is 1,828 crore, which is also more than debt. So therefore, the debt to profit ratio is less than 1. Debt to equity ratio is far less than 1. This company has solid fundamental. Their interest coverage ratio is 9.45. That means to pay interest of 1 rupee, they have 9 rupees 45 paisa. And last year, they have paid substantial amount of interest, 300 crore. So that means they are making good use of money they have borrowed, and they are making money from the money they borrowed. That's why this is a good company. Okay. So coming to FI holdings, public has 40% share, FIs have 11% share, and DIs have about 4 to 5% share. Okay, so which is a good distribution. FIs and DIs are trusting this company so that you and me, the retail investor, can also trust on this company as long as these numbers are about 10. One of them should be about 10. Now coming to the performance, how are they performing? Last year their total sale was 35,000 crore, in which operating profit was 3,000 crore and net profit was 1,828 crore, and they grew. They are growing. Everything grew. Sales grew 50%, operating profit grew 32%, and net profit has grown by 1.69%, maybe about less than 2%. Okay, as a result, this company is on radar. It's a good company. Now let's see why this stock has become so interesting for us. Here is the calculation. Now we are on 2nd June, and this is the third month of the first quarter, right? April, May, June quarter. So this quarter will end on 30th of June. So by 30th June, expected quarter sale will be 10,822. This is what the market is saying. So 10,842 is what they are expected. So now they are generating. Last year, the entire year sale was how much? 35,000 crore. So 10,842 divided by 35, 244. No. Okay. So it's like 30% of the last year annual sale they are doing in a single quarter. Not only that, if I take you down here, we have the quarterly numbers also. So in the month of March, they did a sale of 6,860. And that 6,860 is growing to 10,000 crore, pretty good, very, very good number, 10,008. Their operating profit is 1,000 crore. Last year profit was 3,100 crore. So 1/3 they are doing in single quarter. And last quarter to quarter, if you want to see, it's here. Last quarter they did operating profit of 615 crore, which has suddenly jumped by 400 crore to 1,004 crore. 600 crore is becoming 400 crore, 1,000 crore. And the net profit expected quarter for next quarter, next profit is 792 crore. Now, what is 792 crore? In compared to, they had booked only 287 crore on 31st March. This is almost like 3 times, right? And therefore, earning per share last quarter was 10 rupees, which is expected to increase to 27, which is phenomenal. Okay. The stock is generating substantial volume, so that we are retailers, so we should see that daily the stock must have good traction, good transactions must happen. So on an average today, stock is 3,73,000 stocks have been traded. If you take the monthly average of 1 day stock is 1,85,000, which is good. So if we buy 1,000 stock share, 10,000 shares, we will be able to sell it easily. So that's the fundamental. This is amazing company, good discovery. So now let's move on to the technical side. For technical side, we will use today economic times. Okay, so this is EID PARRY technical side. Okay. Let me first show you what is happening to the candles. the every day we will measure. So this is today's candle. Candle today market has opened up at higher price than yesterday's close, and now this currently it's 11:48 in the morning. The market is going up and down though, so a lot of trading is happening. So since morning, 43,000 stocks have been traded. Okay, and but this price is above yesterday's close, so that means this stock has started moving above. That's why it must be purchased today. Otherwise, tomorrow onward it will be late, because as this stock crosses this, we lose the opportunity to make money above, right? That is signal number one. Their 200-day moving average is going above. So these candles have to catch, because in past the stock was performing much better. Then the stock fell. Maybe they had one or two bad quarters in performance. Now they are improving. So this candle will go and cross this 200-day moving average, which is currently at 550. So as per the analysis on Times of India, this stock will do, today's price is 487, it will touch 666. Now normally they give three parameters: high, median and low. Now in this case, look at this. Low is 666, median is 666, and high is also 666. So that means there's only one way for this path, this stock is to grow. So now let's go back to the technical signal. So we saw the candle. Now what are the other indicators? The Bollinger percentage B has given a clear signal. It has returned back into the green zone. So these are the zone where we become ready to buy, and this is where we start buying the share. And these earlier, closer to this line when you buy is good, because in few days this stock will once again go and cross the upper line. Okay. Second signal is RSI, relative strength index. Sorry. Relative strength index has already given signal 2 days back that it is coming back, and now today it is, green candle. After the sharp red candle, a green candle was a good signal from RSI. And the third signal which we study is MACD, which we practice. MACD has also given a positive signal. You see here, whenever a dark red candle become pink on the lower side of the chart, that is the time when we invest. So EID PARRY is giving positive signal the stock will grow. Okay, so let's buy one share of EID PARRY. Select NSE, buy, and the name of the company is EID PARRY, EID PARRY India Limited, and number of stock 1. You can choose to buy many, because this stock is really attractive at this point of time, and we'll buy at market price. Okay, and then boom. This is where the stock is purchased. Is the order book. Let's see order book here. EID PARRY 22nd June 11:52 by 181 stock has been executed. Order is processed. The stock is now, tomorrow morning it will show in our portfolio. So let's conclude this video. Exit strategy is this stock is likely to touch 666, which is about 35% growth in the mid of August. Mid of August, there will be, the company will announce its AGM, annual general body meeting, quarterly annual general body meeting, and they will announce results. Before that, the stock would have crossed 666, and that is a window of just 1 or 2 days. In those 2 days, you have to sell the stock. So EID PARRY purchase date today, 2nd June, price 488, sell and book profit, sell price 666, 35% growth expected by mid-August. Okay. So friends, my name is Pramod Deshmukh, and this is my daily habit. Okay, I buy at least one share of one company by studying fundamentally. Okay, and I also run a class to teach people how to make small investment, and earn profit through stock market. You can join my Vision Achieve daily stock market analysis program. In 1 year, you would have analyzed more than 1,000 stocks. Practice. The only way to practice and make money in stock market is analyze stock, buy at right time, sell at right time, and therefore My personal charter is to analyze 1,000 stocks per year. And it is not very tough. It's a systematic daily habit. And for that, you need to clear your fundamentals. So once your fundamentals are great, cleared, and then you start applying it, you become a master. Okay. So tomorrow I'll come back. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday. I will come back with some stock which you can retain for good 3 to 5 years. And then for Monday onwards, we'll start having our next video. Okay. See you. Thank you. Bye.